Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my patrons and sponsors and supporters and shoppers. And thank you to those who bought their Tesla using my link. You got a lot of free supercharging miles, and so did I. So thank you for all of you. All the links are below. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite topics in the last 6 months, Rivian. I love Rivian. I saw Rivian at the New York Auto Show. I interviewed a couple of the representatives there. It was really awesome. The videos are on my channel. And when I saw Rivian at the first time at the auto show, I felt like going to the Tesla store for the first time. Same attitude, cool people, same message, same vision, really my vision, changing the world one electric car at a time. And they're really awesome. I really love them. So Rivian R1T should be produced, starting to be produced at 2020. A friend of mine actually put $1,000, deposit. What I love about Rivian, besides their mission, the look and all that, it's a clean sheet truck actually, an SUV, simple, taking what works, not trying to be too cute, and a massive battery. And I'm talking about a high battery of 180 kilowatt hour battery, representing 7,776 individual cells, which is unbelievable. Range between 230 and 400 miles. Starting price $69,000. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds for a huge kahuna, a huge, massive car. Payload of 800 kilograms, which is 1,760 pounds, and a towing capability of 5,000 kilograms, which is 11,000 pounds. Let me focus a little bit about the battery because what they do is just incredible amount of storage, incredible amount of potential range, and incredible amount of power, beauty, functionality, simplicity, truck space, trunk space, the front of the Rivian, you can put 4 small children with the hood open, of course. It's just unbelievable of what is it that they do. So when I saw the individual cells that they're gonna have, not surprised. It's just an incredible thing and how simple it is. And I cannot wait. A Rivian car is not a car I'm gonna buy. I don't do trucks or SUVs. It's not what I do. But I'm so happy for them. That's what most Americans do, and that's why I'm happy. And it's clean and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So hopefully they'll be successful. Guys, did you put $1,000 reservation for Rivian? Let me know. What do you think about Rivian? And if you have done it, tell me why. Let's discuss. Thank you guys for watching. I follow Rivian like a crazy man, and I'll continue to do videos about that. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.